Good morning, Cunningham. This is Miss Gasman, and today is May 10th, 2011. Teachers, please refer to your specialist schedule to make sure you're on the correct day for your grade level. For lunch today will be popcorn chicken, tater tots, and milk. Today is picture day. Pictures will be in room 709, so teachers, please look at your email for your scheduled time. Kindergarten field day will be tomorrow, Wednesday, May 11th. See Coach for more details. Congratulations to the following classes who earned the Music Manners Trophy. Miss Gasman's class in first grade. Good job. Miss Brown, Mr. Brown, Miss Bound, and Miss Perkins. Congratulations. Miss Oakley will deliver your trophy this week. Keep up the great work. Teachers, if you have had a volunteer in your classroom, let's acknowledge their hard work and the time that they've shared with us. Please have your thank you letters ready and delivered to Miss Scott or Ms. Wiley by this Thursday. Your promptness is appreciated. We're still collecting box tops and Campbell's soup labels for education. You can give them to your teacher or Ms. Ground in room 21. Remember that the money earned from the labels comes right back to our school, so please continue collecting them. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day. And remember to ask the important question, what have you done for your school today?
I missed it.
You did miss it. Okay, stop.